packing our bags for next bike trip, and this time we are going to a small hill station called Chopta in Uttarakhand. The total distance of this ride is 200 kilometers and we covered this distance in 6 hours. We started our ride from Dehradun and this road passes through beautiful forest up to Rishikesh, and then from Rishikesh we hopped onto the famous Char Dham highway. This highway is one of the most prominent highway in Uttarakhand due to Char Dham Yatra, and that is why this highway is very well maintained. Though this year rain was very harsh in Uttarakhand, but still the authorities managed to keep this highway operational. This entire road up to Dev-Prayag runs parallel to Ganga river, and whitewater rafting is a major tourist attraction on this river. Dev-Prayag is 100 kilometers away from Dehradun and it takes 3 hours to reach here. This is one of the 5 Prayags famous for confluence of the rivers in Uttarakhand. Dev-Prayag is famous for the confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi river, which merge together and flow together, giving rise to the most holy river in India, the Ganga river. Riding few kilometers ahead of Dev-Prayag, we reach Srinagar. And don't confuse this town with the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. This is a town in Uttarakhand on the banks of Alaknanda river. The road after Srinagar has been damaged due to this year's heavy rainfall. But the work was in progress to repair the damaged roads. After riding 30 kilometers from Srinagar, at Rudraprayag we took the route towards Kedarnath. Here one road goes to Kedarnath and Chopta and other travels to Badrinath via Karnaprayag. Finally, after hours of riding on these beautiful roads, we came close to the Himalayan glaciers and could see the beautiful snow-covered mountains in front of us. After we took another road to Chopta, the road turned into single lane. Chopta was just 20 kilometers and we could already see the magnificent beauty of these mountains. We reached Chopta at 5 in the evening. We have pre-booked this tent as there were very few options to stay here. Though this tent seems very large in number, but they are mostly fully booked. Tomorrow we will start our trek for Tungnath and Chandrashila, and Stay tuned for one of the most beautiful track in Uttarakhand.